This is the brief on constitutional standards, procedure established by law versus due process. So we're diving into a huge legal debate that really gets to the heart of how much power courts have to protect you. The big question is this: does a law just need to be passed correctly, or does it actually have to be fair? First, let's look at procedure established by law. This is the British approach. Here, the court's job is really narrow. They basically just ask, hey, was this law passed following all the right steps? If the answer is yes, the law is valid, even if it's completely unfair. It's all about legislative supremacy, the idea that Parliament gets the final say. Second, you've got due process of law, which is the American standard. And this flips the whole thing on its head. Here, the court asks a much tougher question. Is the law itself fair, just, and reasonable? See, it acts like a shield, protecting people from laws that might be technically legal but are just plain wrong. Finally, let's see how this played out in India, because it's a fascinating story. Their constitution actually uses the words procedure established by law. And back in 1950, in the A.K. Gopalan case, the Supreme Court took that very literally. But then came a major twist in 1978. In the Maneka Gandhi case, the court said the procedure must also be fair. So they effectively adopted due process without ever changing the words in the Constitution. So to put it simply, procedure is about checking the boxes, but due process is about checking for fairness. And India decided it needed both. So next time you hear about a new law, ask yourself, it might be legal, but is it just?